Good morning, friends. Today, Zayla and Kendall are getting ready for school. But first, they need to get dressed. Can you help them?
Good morning. I'm ready for a fun day. Me too. Let's get dressed.
Zayla and Kendall need to choose their clothes. I want my pink shirt today. I'll wear my blue superhero shirt. Can you point to the shirts? Great job.
Oops. One leg at a time. You can do it, Kendall.
Pants go on one leg, then the other leg.
Where are my socks? Found them. Now it's time for shoes. Velcro is easy.
Getting dressed also means getting clean. Brush, brush, brush. Sparkly clean teeth. Before school, let's check our backpacks. Lunch water bottle, school folder. I'm ready. Me too. Shirt goes on over my head. Pants on my legs before school instead. Socks and shoes, zip my coat, grab my backpack. Now let's go. Zayla and Kendall are all dressed and ready for school. Good morning, friends. Good morning. Today we learn how to pick clothes, put on shirts and pants, wear socks and shoes, get ready for school. Getting dressed helps us grow big and independent. Thanks for helping us get dressed. You did awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Learning Classroom. See you next time, friends.